What's up guys, Mike Vo here, your modern Asian dad. Today we have a 2024 Model 3 Highland. We are installing a carbon fiber spoiler with a red line running through it. It looks amazing. But before we install the actual spoiler, I'm going to go over a few items or a few accessories for the Model 3 Highland. First up is an Alcantara center console armrest cover. Basically it comes with a double-sided tape, and all you gotta do is just slide it on your center console and it stays there. We didn't even take off the double-sided tape and it stayed there pretty good, so we're probably not gonna stick it on there. So as you can see that it's pretty soft, and the color matches the headliner of the car, so it doesn't match like the leather perfectly or anything like that, but it matches the headliner. The next item up is a screen protector for the front and the back of your car. So this one kit comes with both pieces of glass. It comes with a little tool kit that has a wet wipe and a microfiber. If you installed a screen protector on your phone before, it's the same process. So remember to put it on screen clean mode on your Model 3. All you gotta do is just use the toolkit and include it, and you wipe down your screen, make sure it's clean, there's no dust at all, and then you just apply the screen protector on. It's pretty straightforward. It's not difficult at all. The only thing that I would like for it to include is like a guide that you stick on your screen so you could put your screen protector on easier. But it's pretty straightforward. Make sure you just line up everything and you should have no problems at all. Make sure you use like a plastic credit card or something like that. In this case, we just use our finger. You just push out the air bubbles once you place on the screen protector, and it goes away pretty easily. Over time, it's gonna go away. So it only took us a couple minutes just to complete everything, and we had no issues at all. This is the matte version of the screen protector, and this is us testing the screen responsiveness to see if there's any lag or anything like that, and we see no issues. It seems like regular without the screen protector. It feels the same, except that it has a matte finish, which is great, which reduces glare. The rear installation of the back screen protector is the same process. It's obviously just a smaller screen, so remember to wipe down your screen, make sure there's no dust or anything like that. Use a little microfiber cloth to make sure everything is dry and free of dust. You can also use the little stickers included so you could pick off the dust. So same process, you remove the back sticker and then you just place it on. The responsiveness after you install the screen protector is perfectly fine. No lag at all, no stuttering, no issues at all. It's just matte now, which is great. So here's the unboxing of the carbon fiber spoiler. This is pretty unique because it has that red line running through the middle of it. We wanted to get this one because it's just something unique where we don't really see on the streets. As you can expect, the spoiler is very lightweight because it is real carbon fiber. We see no issues with the weaving or anything like that. It comes with double-sided tape attached, and it has additional accessories such as blue painter's tape, some guide stickers, and some instructions and so on. The first step is to wet a microfiber towel with some water, and we wiped it super clean. Make sure there's no dust, no grime or anything like that. We want to make sure that this section where we're installing the spoiler is absolutely clean. And then you use another microfiber towel, or dry one of course, to wipe away all the dampness, all the wetness on the back of your car. Make sure it's pretty much spotless. We don't want any issues or anything like that once we apply the spoiler, because once you put it on, you can't really take it off to readjust it. I would recommend having another person help you guide your spoiler, because you want to make little micro adjustments while you have somebody else put pressure on the spoiler so it doesn't move or anything like that. We're trying to figure out, where we should line it up, and we figured that we should line it with the bottom where the trunk line is. And once you figure out where you want to put it, make sure you press it against the car. And it has these little guides, just up and down. And they gave us 2 up and downs facing the same way, so it's okay. We just basically on the other side, you just flip it upside down. So you use these guides, and then you stick it on, and then so you basically know exactly where to put it as a template. After that, you just remove the double-sided tape on the spoiler, and then you just line it up with the template that you put on your car. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. The hardest part is just making sure that it's centered with your car. So at this point, you just put a lot of pressure on the spoiler. Make sure that the double-sided tape is touching every part of the trunk of your car. We were putting pressure on with our hands and running it along the spoiler. So here's the end result. I think it came out really good. I think the spoiler would pretty much match any Tesla Model 3 Highland. I think it looks good on this blue, but I think it would look probably even better on like an all black car or a white car. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Links in the description below.